Meaning of fink.
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 Fink. Fink is a colloquial term meaning a person who is unreliable, disloyal, or betrays others. It can also refer to someone who informs on others to authority figures, often for their own benefit. A fink is generally seen as a negative character and is often ostracized by others for their behavior. The term originated in the United States in the early 20th century and has been used in various pop culture references like movies and songs. It is a derogatory term and should be used with caution.